Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save your Canva design straight to your computer so you can access it anytime, even without internet. This is a simple way to keep a local copy of your work for sharing or backup. On your Canva dashboard, let's say this is your project and you want to save it to your computer, whether that's your desktop or laptop. All we need to do is click Share in the upper right corner. Once we are here, just click Download. Here, we need to choose the file type. We can pick JPG or PNG, depending on what works best for our design. After choosing, simply click Download. As we can see, the file is now downloading and being saved to our computer. We can see here that our project has been saved. And that's how we save our Canva designs to our computer in just a few easy steps. Now our file is ready to use, share, or store whenever we need it.